What's going on, everyone? If you've seen in one of my past videos, I ended up getting this Chinese, straight from Alibaba, directly shipped from China, PSM style diffuser for the F80. So this was one of the things in that collection of parts that got delivered. Ordered all this stuff, including a hood that's not pictured here, straight from China. I actually got a bunch of stuff for the E92 M3, but I figured, hey, I'm getting everything else from the seller, might as well get something for the F80. So I ended up paying $450 plus shipping if you count all the other stuff that I got. Right now, these sell for about $1,000. And I gotta say, looks about the same quality. Guess we'll see how it fits. Everything was well packaged, as you've seen in one of the previous videos. If you haven't, I suggest you go check it out. And yeah, let's lift this car up and we'll get it mounted and see how it does. For some reason, this diffuser is like the go-to YouTube DIY diffuser. I'm not sure why. I just love the design of this diffuser. So we'll get the actual diffuser on now. That's a little better. I think one of these was not fully clipped in. So that's the top diffuser. A couple bolts are a little tricky to get in. I didn't get the center two in. They're just slightly off-centered, but for the most part, it's good. It's a little gap maybe right here, but they did include some additional like long Phillips screws and double-sided tape. So I'm going to tape at least this side because you can see it has a little flex. Yeah, that's better. All right, side fins on, center diffuser in, and so far not bad. These fit great. I did a double-sided tape on this and added an extra screw. And then this one, the only odd part is underneath. I guess it's supposed to make it to there, but with how this is designed, and it just doesn't make it. I've kind of tried every variation and kind of wants to break, and it's slightly off-centered. So figured it's close enough, and I'll just put my second screw there. So that's the only kind of hiccup I've ran into. And then this one kind of doesn't line up over here. Not too bad. I wish this was a little bigger. This one lines up fine, and over there, those two and one extra. So let's get the center diffuser on now. All right, let's see what combinations of screws I guess we'll use here. Because I think out of all the pieces, this is the last one I want to have fly away. Let's see. So it goes to the OEM nuts, but I'm missing two of them. Okay, looking at it, you definitely can't do nut and bolt. You definitely need speed clips, I guess they're called. They're speed nuts. So I have some of the speed clips here, and where the diffuser mounts to is right here next to exhaust. One is here, which is existing. Oh, and then one is here, and then one further down. I'm not sure if these already have clips or not, and I lost them, but okay. Oh, that looks good. I'd say maybe it needs to be a little bit to this side. There's like this indentation here, and it's slightly off. So let's loosen that up and see after. Let's see if we can lower this car without destroying this diffuser. Okay, can't do this anymore, I guess. The easiest ways to jack up these cars are really from the side, like one at a time. You lift the front to jack up the rear, jack up the rear to lift up the front, because every other way seems just half impossible. Oh, come on. Oh. Okay. Wow. China at it again, baby. Alibaba special. 450 bucks. Fitment is pretty good. I'm telling you, everyone has the same stuff. Unless you're actually buying something that's made in America for these cars, which is like nothing, I guess. Everyone has the same stuff. All right, let's get another shot tomorrow morning when there's daylight. All right, guys, the final product, the single turbo F80 is all back together. Yesterday I got the lip-on $100 side skirt extensions and the PSM diffuser, as you guys saw, from China. Fits great, honestly. I mean, besides those two little tabs at the bottom, it's a great fitting diffuser option. Car's all good now, driven in about 200 miles. Got the title coming in the mail. If you haven't seen the other video where I do the inspection and all that, super easy. Did have a lap door lip for this and ended up finding this one from the same guy I bought the lap door lip from. And it was a little easier to put on. I think my bumper from the accident is a little warped, so worked out good. Haven't really had any problems. A couple O2 sensor codes and high pressure fuel pump codes, which are a little weird. Need to look into that. But besides that, it's all been good. No serious leaks or anything like that. All right, so there it is. Hopefully, maybe the next video, I will have maybe like a dyno video. It does have a base map from Chris at Motive, but I want to get something a little more dialed in. So I need to set that up with the A&A Performance here in Georgia. And once that's set up, it's good to go. I still have 300 or so miles to break in the engine and the clutch. Fits good, got an alignment yesterday. I would say the only thing I kind of want to do is the front. Right now is 10.5/20 with Kumo 275 35s. I do want to put either a 285, which is a hard size to find for anything, or I might need to do 295 and go square, but this tire is a little too small. It's just bothering me, I don't know. Or maybe put a bigger spacer, but it's kind of at the right height. Right now it has a 5 mils. Sorry, not the right height, kind of at the right width. And yeah, here it is. So thank you guys for watching. Still need to fix a little bit of the hood gap there and take off some of this PPF I couldn't get off. But thank you guys for watching. Long journey. It's the other day I was driving on the highway with this and I was like, holy crap, I had this car apart 2 months ago. So thank you guys for watching. Appreciate everything. We'll have more videos on this car hopefully soon. Let me know if you guys want to see something particular, maybe just a casual driving video. But yeah, here it is in all its glory.